Yo, what's up, YouTube family? It's your boy Mike. We back again with another episode. Today, my bad, my hands a little greasy. I was ashy. But today we got the Nike SBs. They call them the fire red. I guess what they call them. But I'm gonna call them the Nike SB Seattle Supersonics. The reason I'm gonna call them this right off the rip is because if you could check out the shoes that we finna look in this box real quick, you can see that it matches the OG, I would say, the jerseys that they had on back in the day. They went with that. Oh my God. Back in the day, y'all know they had them green jerseys on with the red. Let me just get into the box. Real quick. Right off the rip. Y'all see we got the purple Nike SB box. Excuse the grease things, y'all. My hands was ashy. I had to put some Vaseline on these joints real quick. But you see we got the Nike SB box, the purple joint. I went with the 10.5. Let y'all check out the box real quick. As you can see, we're gonna let that focus. I went with the 10.5. We got the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro. And then it says, what's that? Fire white, University gold. I think it'll say Spain or Sapin, something. And then University, and they got that Blanc. But we finna go ahead and get into the shoe real quick. Let y'all check it out and see what's going on. So, let's right out the rip. Let's get into the box. Let's get into the shoe real quick. Oh my God. Y'all see what's going on. You see the shoe. And I'm gonna go ahead and get into the review real quick, because this is crazy. I don't know if this is some suede or some new. No, this suede. But these clean, baby. Right out the rip, we opening the shoes. We got both pair. Let's check them out. They gave me a sticker too. You get a Nike SB sticker inside the box. The Nike SB joint. We'll throw that back in there. And we finna get straight into the shoes, y'all. As you can see, we got the Nike SB. I'm gonna call these the Nike SB Supersonics. They got this red colorway on here that's crazy. It's popping right off the top. Nice suede on here. And then we got this green. I think this is actually some nubuck right here. But then you got some green. They went with that forest green. That's real nice. And then if you see on the Nike swoosh, they got that gold, that University gold that's popping, making that Nike swoosh to stand out real good. On the back, they went with that yellow Nike right there, which is crazy. And then I think one of my favorite parts about this shoe that I didn't even notice until I actually got it in hand, that I peeped, is if y'all peep right here, bro, check out the tongue. So the tongue is similar to the jersey material, like an actual, the NBA jersey or a jersey in general. Let y'all check it out. Peep the tongue. The tongue is like a jersey material, which is crazy. That's something that I didn't even peep that they threw in there. I thought that was real clever. But you also see that they went with the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro right on the tongue here in the yellow and green. Another thing that I like about this shoe is the bottom of the shoe. So the bottom of the shoe that I like about it that they did, this just reminds me of just a traditional hardwood floor. Like if you think of an NBA court, they went with this gum bottom, which is a dope addition to the shoe. That, like I said, it just reminds me of a hardwood floor when I think of the shoe. This, because this is supposed to be a basketball, a basketball inspired sneaker that they put together. So as you can see, they got the jersey, the green, you got the red, and then you got the hardwood, the gum bottom that, similar to a court that I would say. They also gave us 2 additional pair of laces that you're gonna get with these. So you got the University gold laces, and you also got the red joints that's gonna come with it. And then as you can see already, we got the green laces that's, already in the shoes, which is dope. So all in all, when I saw that they was gonna drop these, I knew that it was gonna be a sleeper just sitting on the website. I think there's a lot of these still available right now. I actually got mine a little bit early. I went down to my local sneaker store and went and grabbed these a couple days earlier. So a lot of the sneaker stores actually be having them, skate shops actually be having these drops before they actually are released on the app. And then even on the back right here, they went with like a different kind of material. You know what I'm saying? As you can see. All in all, this is a crazy Nike SB dunk that they did. And then on the Nike swoosh, this is like a suede material too. So what I would say is don't get this shoe wet, y'all. Don't get this shoe wet. And also, if you're gonna wear some jeans with it, don't get them jeans wet, because these will bleed. These will bleed. So be careful. Don't wear these in the water. But this is a dope shoe. Like, you know, it's saying got the gum bottom with the red Nike SB on the bottom of it, which is dope. And then you also, all that SBs, you know, y'all got that thick tongue on there, which is dope as hell. I ain't had no SBs in a minute, y'all. The last SBs I had, actually, I got these at my mama's wedding. Back in the day in Vegas. We was out there, I want to say like 2011. No, just like 2012, 2013. My mama got married in Vegas at the Nike outlet, y'all. I got the Nike SB De La Soul lows. They was just sitting, a whole bunch of them. Whole bunch of Nike SB De La Soul lows just sitting on the Nike outlet. I got them for maybe like what? I think I got them on the shelves for maybe what? $70. They was just sitting. A whole bunch of them had got a size 10. Bro, I wish I had a picture of those. I wish I still had them. But this is a crazy color. I'm going to be able to definitely rock a jersey with these. I already had a couple fits in my mind that I'm going to go and bust with these ASAP. I'm going to bust these out this summer. Definitely going to have to find my way to a damn Seattle Supersonics game just to rock them. I don't care what you say. Call me a fake fan if you want to. I don't care. On the inside, let me check out what the inside says on the inside. The tongues, I mean not the tongue, the inside, the soles don't say nothing crazy, nothing too different. It just says Nike SB, what does it say? Zoom, Air Zoom, Nike SB Air Zoom on the inside of the insole. The production date was on these was between May and June. So between May and June 2024 was a production date. We had 2 months of productions for these. These gonna be a crazy addition to the collection, y'all. I'm finna go and put it on for review. I'm gonna rock some jeans for y'all, rock some pants, some sweats and some shorts, and let y'all see. I'm gonna put some different laces in here so we can see the different colors and see how it's gonna look. But thank y'all for watching. If you're watching right now, make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment for your boy. We finna take it to the top. We almost at 1,000 subscribers, and I appreciate y'all for watching. Like I said, if you're watching right now, stay tuned. We finna go ahead and do the on-through review. And peace. We out.